Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To start this look off, I slicked my hair back and sprayed it green, and I changed into a shirt and vest that I thrifted. I based my face out with a coat of white body paint. I used a flat paintbrush to apply the paint to give it a more messy and splotchy application. I used an eyeliner to sketch out the shapes of the rest of the makeup. I filled in the triangles around the eyes with a teal body paint. I filled in the nose, eyebrows, and mouth with red body paint. I outlined around parts of the colorful bits with white body paint to make them pop a bit more. I used light brown eyeshadow to start adding some wrinkles to my face. My forehead, under my eyes, crow's feet, smile lines, etc. I used the same shade to contour my cheeks so they'd look a bit more hollowed and sunken in. I applied bits of white body paint next to some of the contoured areas to brighten them and push the contrast and make the contouring more effective. And here's the final look. It's a really quick and easy look, and the costume is pretty easy to thrift as well, so if you're wanting a last-minute costume, this is a great option. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you'd like to see some pictures of the final look, head on over to my Instagram. As always, the music and products used will be listed in the description. Congratulations, you have made it to my end screen. Click that top link to check out my last video, or click that bottom link to check out last year's Halloween videos. If you want to become a member of the Potato Patch, click that little circle with my face in it to subscribe, and if you want to make sure you don't miss a single video from me in the future, click that little bell to turn on post notifications.